Happy fall, y'all. In a couple of days, it will be fall. I cannot wait to get rid of these 105-degree weather days. We're in North Carolina, and it is burling hot. Today is just an update about what's coming and what we have going on. If you listen up to the end, I think you will appreciate the information I'm going to put out there. It has to do with the EIDL loans and the EIDL grants, and I'm going to tell people about how they can find out how to do this, do their own applications. If you don't want to text me and me do it for you. You know, sometimes it's embarrassing for people. But that's, if you stay to the end, I'm going to try to make it quick so it's not too boring. But the first thing I like to talk about is our channel. We have a few channels and we'll be adding more. We have the stimulus package update. That's number one. We have raising the grands, and what that is about is my husband and I raising our grandchildren. The story's just starting out where we're explaining how we got the children and what a day is like in our life. It's really crazy, but it's interesting. And so that's our second channel. Then we have from cargo to camper. So we have a cargo trailer that we're turning into a camper, and it's actually turning out pretty darn nice already. And then I'm going to do a religious channel, of course. I'm going to talk about end of times, and I'm going to preach a little bit about God. So I won't do it on these channels because I know a lot of you don't want to hear it. But for those that want to hear it, you can tune in on Sunday nights. I'm going to do a sermon, and I do have a lot of experience in that area. So that's what we have right now. Okay, so what am I doing? Monday night, I'm doing the stimulus package update, but it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to pull an application, an EIDL application. I'm going to show you row for row what to write in the application. Some people don't feel comfortable giving me their information, paying me the money. I mean, it costs money for me to do it. But I will say this, out of 37 people that I applied for over the course of 4 months, I got everyone before approved. And now, the more and more we go on, like the last 10, except for 2, they went through within 2 hours, and that's crazy. Usually, it at least takes 3 days for the process, but I'm getting people approved within hours. So if I do it for you, you're just about, if your credit score is a 570, or even if it's a 510, I can get you up to a 570 within a day or two, and I'll get you approved. Now, you make one little mistake, you're put on hold for like 6 to 8 weeks. So, and there's not that much time left. If they come out with the new stimulus package, you will not be able to apply for the old EIDL. You will apply for the new EIDL. If you do the old EIDL, this one, current, then when the new one comes out, you get that one too. They're saying I can get you both of them, but there's a certain way you got to do that. So I have a lot of experience in getting people approved. And I also do credit repair. So there are 2 things we will be offering. But on Monday nights, I'm going to show people how to do it, what you'll put in word for word, and you can do it yourself if you like. But right now, if you would like me to get you approved, and if your credit score is above a 570, I'll have you approved within hours, and your money will be in your account in 2 days. The last guy, we did his package Wednesday night, and this morning he had $20,000 in his account. I mean, people are just shocked when it actually happens. But my phone number, you text 910-368-1603. That's 910-368-1603. You could stop the video right now, pause it. Go ahead, pause it, okay? Go get your pen and pause the video right now, and I'll say it one more time. 910-368-1603. 1603. And I will have you approved in no time. And I'm talking, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. I got a guy approved for 90,000 last week. And it did take about 4 days to go through. His money did hit this week. I think we did his app on Friday, and he got his money like Wednesday. So that was really exciting. That's life-changing for him. He's going to start he's going to repair his old business. Also, if you got a 1099, you are considered having a business. You are considered your own company, so you can get approved on that. I would just say text me and say, does this consist of being a company or a business, owning a business? And let me tell you yes or no. And then I can kind of say, hey, well, did you ever do this? Did you ever sell anything on eBay for 50 cents? That consists of it. This is undocumented. These loans, they're not asking for any proof, so, I got to take you at word what you say. But I could pick your brain and we can figure out just about everybody sold something. So you would be considered owning your own business. So once again, 910-368-1603. I will be posting a video, line for line, row for row, what you'll be filling out on your EIDL if you want to do it yourself. I don't suggest that. The first one I did not get approved on. The second one I did was in April, and we're still trying to get it approved. It's not denied, but we're still trying to get it approved. The rest were all approved, except for one the other night. Well, this morning. But also, some people think they're not going to pay, and we can just have them pull that. So you got to pay the piper if they do the loan for you. But anyway, okay, very good. I will see you again on Monday night. And the only reason why I'm not showing myself is because I didn't feel like doing my hair today, and I've got one of these, Afro frizzy days going on. And when you're old, it doesn't look good. Oh, well, what the hell are you going to do? But, okay, very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you watched to the end. Please, it really helps if you like the video. That makes the algorithm share it with other people and help other people. And, of course, it helps me. So if you'll hit that like button and subscribe. If you subscribe, it'll send you a notice saying, Pam's got this video, and it'll say what it is, stimulus package, new loan information, new grant information, because there's 4 of them available to us. And I don't tell anybody about the other ones. You come to me for the first one, and I let you know about the other ones that we could do for you. And one's a $10,000 grant you don't pay back. But if you don't have time to watch this video, just sit the phone down and let it run. If it runs all the way through, I get credit for that. I don't get money. I just get credit for it ran through, and it makes it look like, you liked my video. But if you can hit that like button, I'd really, really appreciate it. And it can keep me on here. They can decide that I'm not worth it and give me the boot. But I hope you don't do that to me. Thank you very much, and you just have a God bless day.